Hi, my name is Shannon from sisforteachers.org. We're so glad you joined us for day 2 of our SIS for Students virtual math series. We're going to talk about a game in this next upcoming video that is going to be great for 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade students. It's very similar to the addition bump game that we played yesterday if you played that with us, but this one is called multiplication bump. You can download the game board for all the bump games in the link so that you can print it at home. If you don't have a printer, don't worry. You literally can take a piece of paper, draw your 10 circles on it, and I want you to just skip count by the numbers that you're working on. So if your child needs help with their 4s for multiplication or maybe their 7s, you're going to skip count by that number on the game board. So if it was 7s and there's 10 bubbles, you're going to skip count by 7 to 70 kind of randomly throughout the board. If it's 4s, then you would skip count by 4s randomly in the 10 bubbles 4 to 40. You'll be able to create a quick game board very easily. The counters that we're using for the game are 2 different counters. On the video, I might show one with red clear counters and then blue. At your house, you can use, maybe someone can be nickels and somebody can be pennies, somebody could be Cheerios and somebody could be Cheez-Its. I mean, you can come up with different ways to play on the game board. It also calls for a set of dice. If you don't have any game boards at home, like Monopoly or Yahtzee that you can grab it from, you also can go to like a random number generator app and put in the numbers 1 through 6 and have each person, spin it twice, and that could be their 2 numbers that they're going to multiply. Multiplication bump, just like the addition bump, has different levels to it. So in the videos you'll see featured, you have a level 1, a level 2, and level 3, which is bump unlimited. The idea is to help students to multiply and then be able to decompose that product in different ways to help them with their multiplication. If you haven't yet joined us on our Facebook group, make sure you go to facebook.com/groups SIS for students and share us your game board that you made. Let us know how the multiplication bump game is going in your house and how you're kind of working on refining skills while we're doing some school from home. Thanks so much for joining us.